Para kaming pulubi, dito na kami sa New York. Dito na kami. Mamaya pa kaming 12 a.m. dito. If you don't feel cold?
Nope. What's happening? Friends together. Yay! Friends. Okay.
You really feel better now? You're not hungry?
Because I eat already whenever I eat that.
Wala namang bawas.
Can you put that in the bin?
Huwag mo sayangin, ah.
And then they can yum.
Sige na.
That's not good.
Hindi pa kami nakakarating ng Pilipinas. May laruan na namang nabili.
Hey, why are you copying me?
Magkano yan? $6? $7 kaya yan isa.
Hey, why are you copying me? Hey, why are you copying me? You're the one who copied. You're
7
the one who
times
copied me first.
350.
No. Yes. No, yes. Anyways, I'm gonna play without you. Hey, that's what I said. Hey, without it. Okay, stop. I ain't gonna punish you. Why you gonna do that?
You want to watch YouTube?
Yep.
Okay, bye.